everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share with you some of the products that I ordered from AliExpress. So the first thing that I got are some fake nails. These are coffee in kind of medium short size. They are basically 2 centimeter long, and for these I paid £2.57. so you get 10 different sizes and they're actually pretty good. The next thing that I ordered is this black gel brush from Bon Prix, and for this one I paid £1.27, and there is no shipping charges, so I found it like a pretty good deal, so I decided to get one of these. They give you full coverage just one go. So the next thing is this chrome powder that I paid £0.33. Like for 33p I only got this quantity, and I basically ordered this one from the coin section. If you know, you can use the coins that you collect every day in exchange of products. Like you're gonna pay some amount of money and then you're gonna pay using some coins. So I ordered this one. So the next thing is basically something that I haven't ordered. So I ordered another comb powder, but they didn't send me that one. They sent me these leaves, but for this one I paid £0.30, so basically 30p, but they sent me something that I didn't order. Next thing is this foil glue, and for this one I paid £1.60. It came ripped on one side, but I think so that's gonna be a problem. So this is basically for regular nail polish. So for gel one I ordered a special gel polish for nail polish, so I'm gonna use that one. So next things are basically nail clips, and for this one I paid only 80p. These are the clear ones. It's up to you if you're gonna get the pink one or the other colors, but I decided to get these because they were cheaper, and you get 10 in total. They are basically used to remove the gel polish from your nail. The next thing that I got are some nail guides, and for this one I paid £0.14, so basically 14p. So next thing that I got are some chrome powder again. These are 6 in total, and for this one I paid 64p. And again I got it from this coins tab, so that's why they are so cheap. So this is the next thing that I got. Next thing that I ordered are some water decals, and they are Christmas theme, and for this one I paid 71p. They are 30 in total. Next thing are some nail foils. They are 10 in total, and they are 20 centimeter long, and for this one I paid 45p. And again they are from the coins tab, so you're gonna exchange them with some amount of money and with some coins. That's why you're gonna pay less. Next are again some nail foils, and they give you full coverage, and for these I paid 43p, and they are basically 10 in total and 20 centimeter long. Then there go are some silicone molds, and these one I brought them to use with acrylic or with gel, because you can create like 3D nail arts, you can print the numbers, anything that's in the mold. And for this one I paid £2 and 5p. They are pretty cheap, so you get 10 in total, and you get different sizes and shapes, so I think it's a good deal. Next are again some nail foils. These are kind of floral or Valentine theme, and for these I paid £1 and 74. They are 20 centimeter long and they are 10 in total. Next thing that I ordered are some nail foils again, and these are floral themed, so you get different kind of flowers in there. And for these I paid £1 and 74. You get 10 in total and they are 20 centimeter long. Next are some Christmas foils, and for these I paid 53p, and again I got them from the coins tab, that's why they are so cheap, and they are 10 in total and they are 20 centimeter long.